Ratchet review, episode 6. It's the LTT stubby screwdriver. It is pretty much exactly the same. You get half as many bits. You still get that magnet bit, and it's still got some amazing knurling. Great direction change. It feels. This is the one I grab for when I'm undoing the backs on TVs. If I'm changing some camera hardware, this is the one. You can also get a nice little extension that comes with it. It's also, you know, nice steel, and you can get a nice extension. Let's see, makes it just a little shorter than the full-size one, but you know, you get some nice action in there without this big bulky handle and whatever. I wouldn't call it bulky, but in comparison to this is my go-to stubby screwdriver. Amazing. Yeah.